Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So as you can tell from the title, you guys already know I moved to Enugu. It's been a whole year since I've been in Nigeria, but currently I'm in Enugu State. So I decided I'm going to start vlogging. For me, I feel like I'm in Lagos, like the first time I went to Lagos, and I really enjoyed that vlog. It's still in my channel, so go and check that out. So we're doing Enugu State now. So my dad, I live with my dad. He went out. I can drive, but the fear of driving next to a lorry in Enugu State gives me the absolute creeps. So I want to take Keke to do my running around today. So I'm going to be vlogging 2 videos today. So the first one is going to be about different places you can go to find wedding gowns if you want to rent them for your wedding in Enugu State. So the first one I'm going to is B Creations. So guys, that's the first part of the vlog. The second part is my Keke riding in Enugu. What it's like. Let's go on this trip, baby. Let's go, because I'm excited. I'm in all black and black. You can't see the bottom, babe, but like, I'm in black too. So let's get it. You zig it? All right, cool guys, let's go.
My one sweeter, my one sweeter. Not only you go, like MJ rock my world.
Okay, so I'm about to go meet my Keke guy. He's downstairs. I have this one person that I use every single time I want to take Keke to go anywhere. And yeah, so for me, I know him. It gives me a chance to kind of build that relationship where I know you to an extent. My dad knows who he is. My husband knows who he is. So yeah. So guys, let's get it. I'll see you guys when I'm in the Keke actually. So yeah, guys, let's go. Okay, so guys, we are currently on our way to the bridal store. As I first stated in the introduction, I just want to show you guys what the ride is like, what it looks like, the difference. You can clearly see the difference between being in a Keke and being in a normal car. Yeah, so I like the experience of Keke. I actually like it. I get to places that I'm going to quicker. There are shortcuts I can follow that a normal car or a normal size car wouldn't really follow. Do you get what I mean? And if you're a gas, open road and run. Pick risk quickly. So this is just normal traffic. We're just waiting. The traffic, you guys, if you look close, you can see the like traffic wording, guys. So yeah, so I'm just chilling. Guys, the kind of heat. Yeah, it was so hot this day. I don't know why. And I was wearing black and black. Error message. Complete error message. So yeah, this is just the trip. I'm going to keep quiet now and let you guys just enjoy this ride with me. Let's go. Okay, so guys, I'm currently on my way to ShopRite now. I have finished up from the bridal store and I needed to quickly go to ShopRite to pick up some stuff and top up my Wi-Fi for my dad. So this is ShopRite. ShopRite is actually quite big. I feel like this is the place that most people come to for hangout spots. ShopRite or Spa. Actually, I'm going to vlog different places people hang out and different places you can visit when you come to Enugu. So if you guys are interested in that video, make sure you drop a comment below. Actually, this conversation I was having with my Keke guy here is actually so funny. His name is God First. Let's call him by his name. He was telling me how the female Keke people drive Keke and how they charge more because they're females. I'm like, obviously, like, if I'm going to do Keke ride, I'll be charging 1 million naira from point A to point B. Are you mad? Before, let's go, I beg. So I finished the bridal store. I came to Airtel because I want to sort out my dad's Wi-Fi for him, and then I'm gonna head home because I'm tired. but there's a queue. So there are more people to go, and then it's me. But if not, yeah, so you have an Airtel store in ShopRite. So that's what Wi-Fi I use, and my dad as well. So I need to top up his Wi-Fi for him. Yeah, I'll jump back on my Keke and go back home. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so that was the end of this vlog. So you guys have seen what it's like in Keke. It's a bit noisy. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's a bit noisy. But for me, and my safety, I like the openness of it all, because if people decide to move mine, I can jump out, like, I'm good, boo. With the cab, if you have a child lock, I'm a bit stuck. But yeah. So yeah, that was the ride with Keke. So you guys know my Keke guy is God First. His name is God First, so I don't call him the Keke guy. I find it very rude. So yeah, God First is the person who usually picks me up and drops me off. So the run around we did today, let me give you guys a breakdown. We went to the bridal store first, and then went to ShopRite. At the bridal store, we waited about an hour. No, we waited an hour. Yeah. And then he waited for me for an hour. And then the ShopRite trip was about 20 to 30 minutes. So altogether, his waiting time was like an hour and 30 minutes. I personally don't like to send him to go out and then come back. I would rather he just wait there. In case I finish early or whatever it is, I can just come out and we go. So all of that trip, picked me up from my house, went there, came back, was about 2,000 naira. So that's what I paid him for today's trip. It's reasonably affordable. I paid him 2,000 naira because obviously waiting time was long. That's literally the only reason why it was that amount of money. But yeah, I like to pay for people's time. If you're waiting for me, you can be getting someone else, getting another customer or whatever it is. So I'm just like, might as well pay for your time. So that was today's trip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to try something else for you, let me know. Comment down below if you like this video or what else you would like to see. So yeah, let's go guys, until next time, bye.